Welcome, everybody. It's your girl, Delores. I'm just a pink girl living in my pink world here on YouTube, but I'm here for a reason. And today, because I just got this, will be the third time you have heard from me on this channel today. First of all, go back and watch. We did my art series episode 2, where you all get to see what I do. I like to do art. As you see, some of the art displayed behind me, these three main frame pictures are something that I've colored. Second of all, is you're getting to know me every day to my birthday. Every day I'm dropping a video about something about me. It's like, do you know Delores? Really? Do you know me? But I wanted to get this out as soon as possible. Did not want to wait because I love Auntie Ellen. Okay? If you've not been to Auntie Ellen's page, make sure you go because she tells you how to make once in a lifetime gifts that will never go old, okay? That are useful. She tells you stories that will warm your heart. And I'm very appreciative of her because insert picture, she sent me a box, okay? Box is kind of colorful with USPS, but you all will see it right here. Uh, Auntie Ellen has sent me something for my birthday. So again, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna do like we did before. There's a lot of tape on this, okay? Again, sirs, if you ever send me something, you're gonna have to step up to the ladies because listen, Salon Diva V sent me something where I had to fight to get into. And Auntie Ellen has this wrapped up so tight, I don't think anybody gonna be able to get in it. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling you, if you order something for Auntie Ellen, it's gonna come safe and sound. Okay? So here we go. Putting some on. It's like layers of tape on here. So I know no one's gonna get in there. For those who know, I had surgery about a month ago uh, to the day. And so I appreciate all of those well wishes, all of those who have reached out and prayed for me and called and talked to me. I really appreciate it. Ladies and gentlemen, also my birthday is on the 16th, which is Father's Day. So, because I won't be personally online, happy Father's Day to all those around the world, and especially to my little brother I have uh, 4 little ones who I call my own uh, from my brother who has blessed me to kind of, live vicariously through him. Except for as aunties, we get to hype them up and close the door. Okay, I got through the tape. Now we are opening the box. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, I got 2 things. I'm so special. I am so special. I'm so special. And she gave me a little card. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let me read the card first because I'm a card girl. Look how pretty it is. Look how the envelope. You all can't see it, but envelope is so pretty on your birthday. Oh, I'm not gonna read it out loud because it's personal, but I appreciate Auntie Ellen. She's one of the people who call me every day and checked up on me. And she's been so nice. Ladies and gentlemen, if you weren't watching Auntie Ellen, you need to see my bag. Look at this. Look at this. This is so cute. This is so cute. And the inside, and it has her little label on it. So beautiful. Oh, I can't wait. I'm gonna go out in the street and be like, Auntie Ellen made me this. You all need to go get you one of these. Get you one of these. Listen, I can't, and it's got the pink, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't know, I have a very, 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 very unhealthy obsession with pink, and this satisfies every little bit. Has a little hard bottom on it. Oh my god, I love this. Love this. I'm gonna put little stuff in the little pockets. Oh my god, I cannot. I am so obsessed with this. You can like tie it clothes if you want. Oh my god, I so love this. So this is the first thing she gave me. And then yeah, got a little dog bone pillow. Oh my god. It's got the little handles on it. Oh my god. And it's pink and it's so cute. And even though it is like firm, it's very like sturdy and soft. Ladies and gentlemen, Auntie Ellen spoils your girl. Okay, I'm special. Ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate you. I really do. I really appreciate everybody who has come to my channel, who has subscribed, who send things or have conversations with me. Sometimes out here in this YouTube field, it is very hard. And sometimes I'm like, I don't know. But to hear from you all and from you all to acknowledge me and see what I'm doing is the greatest thing ever. I will ride 10 toes down for my subscribers. If you need me, I'm here. Ladies and gentlemen, this pink world is expanding. I am now using Cricut. I got new stuff. See, look, pink mouse, pink uh, computer, keyboard, pink new headphones. We're expanding in this little pink world, and I want you all to come along with me, okay? Because I love you all, and I hope you all have a great day. And if you ain't, comment below if you want one of these. You got to go over to Auntie Ellen. She makes all of this. She even does classes if you want to learn how to do it yourself. I'll put all the information in the description box. I will send you over to Auntie Ellen. And until then, I want to let you know. Peace.